Today is Friday. Matt took the day off and we're on our way to our room makeover for Dixie Belle for DBTV. Super excited. Going to meet our lady for the first time and see her master bedroom. Let's go to Home Depot and get our paint and we'll get started, Mr. Painter. Look at Priscilla going to get her paint. She's so excited. What you think? Looks pretty good?
Yep, looks good to me.
I'm very excited to see this color. I'm ready for you to pour. Let's do it.
This is called Bonsai Trunk.
It's matched to Cactus of Dixie Belle's satin paint line. Oh, yummy. That's good. Watch. Oh, oh yeah. That's good. Look. I know, right? The camera's rolling. Do you like it?
I love it. Oh my gosh. I just thought I would bring out drinks.
Thank you.
And just turn off the
you. Cheers.
Thank
No, I know. Hannah, come on in. Camera's on. This
Hello.
is Hannah. Yay! So this is how Matt and I usually roll when we roll. Matt's rolling. This is how we roll. He rolls and I cut in. Okay, so when you cut in around your ceiling or in the corners or on the baseboards, you want to use an angled brush. Any angle brush. This is a Dixie Belle mini angle. And I don't tape off around the baseboards just because I've been cutting in for a long time. If you've never done it before, you want to tape and cover your surface so that you don't get a lot of extra paint on areas that you don't want it. You want to use very little paint. You don't want to dip your whole brush in paint. See, I've only got a little bit of paint on my brush here. So actually you dip a very small amount into your jar. And if Hannah's filming for me, Hannah, if you will come down here, you want to be in control of this. Oh, my hair is gonna get in the paint. This small line of paint right here. Is what you want to just sort of deliver, and this last bristle right here on the point is really the only thing that will touch this. I'm not going to run the whole row of bristles. I'm going to hold it like this. I'm going to deliver some paint, and then I'm going to tilt that bristle, that end pointed bristle is what's going to bring the paint down like this. Now I have a little bit of a boo-boo there, so it's not a big deal. You can use a rag or whatever. You just kind of push that up into the wall. Not a big deal, but it's a good example to show you if it happens. So again, I probably had too much paint on. I also don't usually talk when I do this. I usually hold my breath. So the key again is just using as little as possible, and only this point is what's going to touch down there. So don't push too hard, and just pull straight across like that. And then come up here above it and just use what's left on your brush to kind of touch up these areas like so. We're painting the other 3 walls now. We finished our feature wall and we did that, and we matched it to Dixie Belle Silk Cactus, and this is Dixie Belle Silk Oyster, and we color matched that at the store, and it actually color matched to Repose Gray. We didn't know, but I think it's actually the same exact color because, as you can tell, Matt's painting. So we're doing 3 walls. She gets a fresh coat of paint on her other 3 walls. This side is for sure only going to need 1 coat because our colors are almost identical. I'm going to show you how to use this little roller wand. This is that stick that Matt had that we love. And this is the contraption that goes on the side of the can. So it clips on to the can, and it's got a suction tube that goes down into the can, and then when he brings the stick over, he pops it onto here and then just sucks it up into the paint tube. So we'll show you how to do that.
This fills up with paint. You take this orifice and you stick it on here, which is like a straw that goes into the bottom of the drink. And you pull on this lever slowly.
And then that keeps you from having to keep coming back to the tray. And does that tube, once it's filled, do almost a whole wall?
No, I mean the beauty is it goes on pretty thick. You have to keep depressing this while you're painting so that it,
What do you press? This lever?
this
That's what
level-
releases paint.
Yeah, it shoots it into the roller through this hose.
Okay. And then let's head on over to this side of the room. And we have one coat done. It's still drying. Looks really good against her dark headboard. She will have new lamps. The curtains are staying. We'll have different lamps and different lamp shades. And we also will have different bedding. But the wall looks really good. So now that the paint is drying, the grays are different. The color grays are funny. They can go purple, they can go blue, they can go tan. And this color that we got, which is like the oyster, is definitely more of a tan gray. And the color that was on the walls was a very, very light tint of blue gray. And you can see now that the paint is dry up at the top. The original gray has a little bit of a blue tint to it, where this is just a very neutral, really good neutral gray without any blue or purple in it. This is Bianca, Hannah, Priscilla. We're back. We've got a single coat of the gray on all the walls, right? All we have left is cutting in, and we're gonna start painting furniture next. Super. Oh wait, are you doing a second coat on that other wall? That one?
You did.
Do we need, yeah, there's two
Oh, you
coats on
did?
there already.
Oh, so we're almost done. Yay.
I think it
We're almost
looks
done.
good.
It's gonna be in the shot.
You think that's good? We are moving on to the furniture, the painted piece of furniture, which is going to be this chest.